This is Great Gaia Goddess, and I have been promising to show Lumberman, my L-man. I really don't know the age of it, but this is my shotgun. That thing keeps on going and going and going, and there we go. And it's 12 gauge Harrington and Richardson arms, and it has a February 27th 1900 patent on it, and from what I can see on the internet, it says it could have been made anywhere from 1905 to 1939. And I've never shot it. I don't know whether to or not. But I just wanted to show you that it's about to go into its sheath. Okay. All right, Billy, you can put it in. Lumberman, look at how sweet that is. It's all cleaned up. It's doing great. Sorry about that, folks. And there it is. My sweetie, my honey bunch, both of those things. I really appreciate it. You do not know how much I really needed that. So, thank you, L-Man. I really appreciate that contest that you had. Bye.